Morning, Thursday, another day around my disaster. See what we can figure out. Try to put something together today. Don't have a clue. Second morning to my wrinkled shirt. If you want to notice one thing around here, it's not a fashion statement. Never said I was, never will be. But still got stuff to do. Don't know what yet. So much to pick from. Just give you a brief update on the new project. Turns out it is a 2000 Arctic Cat 500cc automatic. That's what I've got it narrowed down to, which all sounds wonderful. Parts ain't as cheap as I thought they were going to be, but we'll see what we can figure out. Lots of places to get used goodies for this stuff around here. Who knows? Maybe another whole parts one. They ain't cheap. They're hard to find. Well, we'll figure something out. Here's the update on the Mad Max machine. I'm still having trouble with that distributor. I know when I rebuilt it, had some issues. Seemed like it was hanging up. Having some trouble spinning. I thought I cleaned it out good. Thought I got it rebuilt right. But obviously, still something wrong. I got another distributor in the trunk. Maybe we'll get some new parts in it. Pop it in there, see what we can do. It was running great when I first put the distributor in. So I know that's where the problem is. Back to the same thing it was doing before. Well, before it didn't run at all. Now it just runs like shit. Crap. Stuff. I've got to move some stuff around, make some room so I can work on some other things. So I think my day's kind of been laid out. Mad Max machine's in the way. It's in my working spot. And it don't want to go nowhere. So I think I gotta just pull the distributor now. See if I can get this thing sorted out. I gotta get it out of the way. It's been in this spot for a couple of months and it's taking up critical workspace. So let me get to it. They say practice makes perfect, but this is ridiculous. The coil's out again. cap is out again. Got the distributor out, take it apart and see what's going on. New module. Move somewhere else, knock the pins out. This table ain't solid enough. Not sure if anything I'm doing is going to help, but that car's got to get out of the way. I got to try something for now. Got all the parts cleaned up. Time to put it back together again. One more time. Screwing up really sucks. Looks like it's all back in. Gonna have a look around, see if I missed anything else. Anybody see what I see? Broken line. Hate when that happens. Quick fix for now. I think I got all lines hooked back up, vacuum lines and stuff. We'll see what happens when I try to start it. I was heading in the right direction. Let's see if I can get it timed up. That's at 0. Shut it off, plug it in. See if the computer picks it up. Let's go for a ride. That's more like it. I knew I was having trouble with that timing. Something with that distributor wasn't right. I put it in the new housing, put in the new magneto, everything seems to be working fine. Car's up and running pretty good. It's got some pep. Probably running better than it has since I brought it home. So that's all a good thing. It's not overheating no more. It's not ticking as much. I think we've had a successful mission here. We'll see what happens in the next few days. Take it for a few rides. Maybe the car show today. Well, it's running. And it's out of the way. And it's got gas in it now. I still think we got issues. Never overheated before, but it seems to be getting warm. I mean, warm. I don't know why, but like I said, never did that before. We're gonna have to figure out why. So it's not going to the car show tonight, but it's out of the way. It's off of jack stands. It stops. It starts. Now it's just getting hot, and I don't know why. Sounds like another episode of My Project Cars and Shizzle. Well, I guess he'll work on this or something else. I'm going to call it a day for now. There's a car show tonight up in Brooksville. Maybe we'll roll up there and see how that goes. Catch you all later.